Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw the elevation of a line given the plan and the true inclination to the horizontal plane. So the first thing you should have is the line. So you should draw the given plan AB. So now this is the plan we're given AB, and then we have the true inclination to the horizontal plane. And so now this true inclination to the horizontal plane, this is it right here. This is it right here. So that is the angle ABC. It is the true inclination to the horizontal plane. And this true inclination to the horizontal plane, it represents the angle between the plan and the true length. You know that the plan is actually actually the shape when it is viewed perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So and that plan has a relationship with the horizontal plane. So next we are looking for we need to draw the elevation now. So the first thing to do is to draw a line that's perpendicular to the line XY from A. So I'll draw a line perpendicular to XY from A and from B too. So I'll project this one downwards a bit. So I need a perpendicular line. So I'm assuming it will still be parallel to each other. So I'll use the set square, draw a perpendicular line at B, and then draw a perpendicular line at A. So we're good to go. Now the next step is basically I would mark the distance. I will pick this as my XY line. I'll pick this as my B complement for the elevation. So the next step is basically you need to copy this angle ABC into this elevation. So when I copy the angle, where the angle meets this line is going to be the other vertex of the front of the elevation of the line. So basically this is the procedure. I'll need to copy this angle. So I'll just open my compass with sufficient radius. I will cut from the bottom of the line to the top. That's from this here to here. So then I'll need, or you just need to cut an arc anyway. Not necessarily bottom to top. Just cut an arc. So with the same radius, I'll also come here and cut an arc. So this is the procedure for copying an angle rather. With the same radius, I'll also come here and cut an arc. So this upwards, I've cut the arc upwards. And the next step is I will open my compass from the bottom point where the arc cuts the containing side to the top where the arc contains the side. So this is span. This is the length of the arc that is within this angle. So with that same length, I will come to the bottom where the arc cuts because now that the arc cuts the XY plane, I'll come to the bottom and I'll cut at that second arc above. So that second intersection will be the line through which the elevation will pass. So I'll draw a line from B passing through that point till it gets to this vertical projection. So here we go. So now I will stop at this vertical projection. So this is B complement A complement, and this B complement A complement will be the required elevation of this line. So I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.